In this balance training exercise, we're combining an outward rotation of the hip, which tends to want to rotate the hips around, and we have to have good core stability to control that. Then combining that with some gluteal activation to stabilize. So we're going to sink down into this shape and then place. So as smoothly as possible, we're going to lift, plate. You've got to sink at the same time as you place the ankle. Lift and place. You can bring the hands in to help, and it has a nice feel about it. Lovely fluid. Neurologically, as I've mentioned many times, it helps the brain if we connect movements in our hands and our legs to the body. It's a very natural neurological phenomenon. You don't have to be too rigid with what you do with the hands, but we want this fluid feel to it.